In this video, we will learn how to hide comments in Google Sheet. So let's start. Open your Google Sheet, and here you can see I have some sales data, and you can see here the comment is showing the color highlighted on particular cell. Okay, so some comment I added here to invoice copy, to check amount, and to check this. Okay, so these are comment I want to hide from this data. To hide this comment, go to the view tab and click on the comments option, and here you see the hide comments option. So just click on it, and here you see the all comments is hide. Okay, if you want to unhide again go to the view tab and click on the comments option, and click on the minimize the comments, and you can see all comment is minimized. If you want to see all comment, go to the view, click on the comments and show all comments. So here you can see the comments, all list of comment. When you click on it, you can see the comment where is applied. Okay, so this is a way you can hide the comments in Google Sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.